If you have a number which is having more number of digits, like our phone numbers in Excel, usually JAWS reads like this.
96,039,384,993, B2.
So it's a bit difficult to understand, right? Now let us make JAWS read it by single digits. I'm going to JAWS Settings Center by pressing JAWS key +6.
Excel-JAWS Settings Center dialog. Search box edit type.
In this search box, I'm going to type number.
N-U-M-B-E-R. Number.
So here I got 4 search results. I'm going to press down arrow twice.
Number 4 search results list box. Number and date processing. Text processing. Use the arrow keys to select an item. Press the number processing controlled by synthesizer. Number and date processing. Text processing.
So we have to change this option controlled by synthesizer. I'm pressing enter on it.
Enter. Search edit box cleared. Preview. Number processing controlled by synthesizer. 2 of 4. To move through or expand items, use the arrow keys.
To change this option, I'm pressing F6.
Number and date processing page. Number processing combo box controlled by synthesizer. 1 of 4. To change the selection, use the arrow keys. Alt+N.
In this number processing combo box, we have 4 options. First one is controlled by synthesizer, which is by default.
Single digits. 2 of 4.
Single digits.
Pairs. 3 of 4.
Pairs.
Full numbers. 4 of 4.
Full numbers. So I'm going to select single digits.
Pairs. 3 single digits. 2 of 4.
I'm pressing tab.
Tab. Speak single digits if number contains combo box controlled by the synthesizer. 1 of 5. To change the selection, use the arrow keys. Alt+I.
So here we have 5 options. I want to select 8 or more digits.
5 or more digits. 2 of 5. 6 or more digits. 3 of 5. 7 or more digits. 4 of 5. 8 or more digits. 5 of 5.
Okay, I have selected 8 or more digits. So you can check out remaining options by pressing tab. So I have selected necessary options. I'm going to press Shift F6 to get back to the settings center to apply the changes.
Shift F6. Preview. Number processing single digits. 2 of 4. To move through or expand items, use the arrow keys.
I'm going to apply button.
Shift tab. Search box edit. Shift tab. Application : combo box. Excel 49 of 214. To change the selection, use the arrow keys.
So we are making these changes in Excel application.
Shift tab. Cancel button. Shift tab. OK button. Shift tab. Apply button. To activate, press space bar. Alt space. Preview. Apply single digits. 2 of 4. To move through or expand items, use the arrow keys. Number processing.
I am pressing OK button
Tab. Read
now.
only tab. OK button. To space. Please wait. Book 1. Book 1. Dash accept.
Now let us listen how JAWS reads this number.
96039384993. B2.
So in this way you can make the JAWS read a long number in a single digit format. Don't forget to subscribe Tech Accessibility Tutorials. Thanks for watching.